Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all for the geography chapter, that is EVS 1. We are going to study a new one. Today, before we begin in with something new, I want to ask you few questions and I know you will answer them easily. Now, children, today I'm going to ask you some questions. Now, you can see the questions. The questions are very easy. Where do we live in? हम कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do we live in? हम कहाँ रहते हैं? Who lives with you? तुम्हारे साथ कौन रहता है? Now where do we live in means हम घर में रहते हैं. We live in our home. We stay in our house. Who lives with you? Now आपके साथ कौन कौन रहता है? That you will tell. Who lives in your house? Is your family a big or small family? Do you have a very big family or a small family? A small family means as mummy, daddy, you and your brother, sister, and big family means uncle, auntie, everyone living together. Then are you happy and enjoying with the members living with you all? Means are you happy enjoying with the family members who are living with you in your home? Isn't it? So these are the few questions and I know that you all can answer very well. Now I'll show you one picture. See this. You can see this picture. In this picture you can find many members are there in the family. Now he is what? He is who? He is a grandfather. We have here grandmother and we can have here one man, one woman sitting. That is the mother, father. Their two children. Here you can see uncle, auntie. You can say here also uncle and auntie. Means there are many members. We can find here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 members are there in the family. In this family, 8 are the elder ones and 2 are the young children. Right? So this is the family which is called as a big family, where many members stay together in the family is called as a big family. Next, you can see here we have 2 children and mummy daddy is there. So mummy daddy and 2 children means what? A small nuclear family. See, a small nuclear family nowadays we find in 21st century. This is a 21st century going on. So we find this family culture is going on nowadays. In this family, everyone is busy in their own work. Everyone, sometimes if mummy is also busy going to the office, mummy is busy, daddy goes to the office, daddy busy, then children go to the school and the children sometimes carry the keys of the home. बच्चे देखो घर की चाबी लेकर आते हैं और when they return from school they only open the door on their own and they go inside and do their work on their own. Means mummy is not there. Sometimes if mummy is not working, जहाँ पे मम्मी काम नहीं कर रही है, वर्क नहीं कर रही है, घर से बाहर मम्मी काम घर में हमेशा करती है ना. I mean to say that means mummy is always housewife. When mummy is a housewife, she is there at home. तुम घर जाते हो, मम्मी तुम्हें खाना पीना खिलाती है, प्यार से यूनिफॉर्म चेंज कराती है, मीन्स सब कुछ मम्मी कराती है. लेकिन जब मम्मी भी काम करती है और घर पर कोई नहीं है तो तुम लोगों को अपना काम खुद करना पड़ता है. मीन्स द चिल्ड्रन ऑन देयर ओन आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर ओन वर्क. राइट? कंटिन्यू. So this family we have seen, this is a small family. It is called as a nuclear family. Again let us see. Again you can see a grandmother, grandfather, granddaughter, a small baby, uncle, auntie, 2 uncles here. Means what? This is also a joint family where the people living together. Many members living together. Now suppose even if your mummy is working, dad is working, but when you come back from school, whom do you find at home? They are waiting for you. Of course, your Ajji and Azoba. You will find your grandparents. दादी दादा को तुम लोग घर में तुम्हारे लिए वेट करते देखेंगे. या फिर कई बार तुमने देखा होगा your grandfather comes to pick you up from the school. Sometimes your grandmother comes to pick up you from the school. Means somebody is there to look after. So this is the joint family. We can see a big family is there. So this is called as a joint family. Now we are going to start with lesson number 5, family values. What is the value of a family? Now let us see. First, meaning of family. फैमिली मतलब क्या, पहले ये पता होना चाहिए हमें, है ना। अ फैमिली इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर एंड आर इंटर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर। अ फैमिली इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। हम फैमिली किसको बोलते हैं? अ ग्रुप, मम्मी पापा, तुम, तुम्हारे भाई बहन, आजी आजोबा, मौसी, तुम्हारी मौसी, काका, बुआ, फूफा जी, ये सब लोग जो साथ में रहते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं फैमिली, isn't it? So everywhere we find what? A group of people living together is called as a family and they are interrelated to each other. They have a relation. We just can't allow it. तुम बाजू वाले के घर में जाके रहोगे क्या, उसको फैमिली बोलोगे? नहीं। बाजू वाले अंकल आंटी या उनका बच्चा आपके घर में आएगा खेलने के लिए, वो खेलने आया, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड है, बट इज ही अ मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली? ऑफ कोर्स योर आंसर विल बी नो। नाउ वैल्यूज मीन्स व्हाट? लेट अस सी। वैल्यूज मीन्स मूल्य। उसका मूल्य क्या है? फैमिली वैल्यू, importance of family in everyone's life where we stand together to support each other. What is the importance of the family? Whatever ups and downs are there, जो भी हमारे लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आती है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, हंसी खुशी का माहौल है, हम लोग सब साथ में शेयर करते हैं उसको। एंड किसी पे प्रॉब्लम है, कोई परेशानी आ गई है, तो हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं, हम लोग इग्नोर नहीं करते। व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर सपोर्टिंग ईच अदर टू move out from that particular situation. Understood? So family value. So today's lesson is what? We are going to start with a new chapter, that is the family values. I hope this is clear to you. What is family and value? So family plays a very important role in our life. In everyone's life, family plays a very, very important role, children. Now this is again a picture. You can see this picture. In this picture you will find nuclear family versus joint family. This is a nuclear family. Mom, dad, brother and sister. A small family which we find nowadays everywhere it is there. Isn't it? But we also find at the same time joint families also I can see, where people living together, all together, and they live very happily. Now this is a joint family. So many members in the house. This is the joint family. Okay, so nuclear family versus joint family. My view is children, joint family मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि सब साथ में रहते हैं तो बहुत मज़ा आती है। पढ़ाई भी अच्छे से होती है, खाना पीना अच्छे से होता है, केयरिंग अच्छे से होता है। All this is taken care of by our grandparents and they are always there. They always love us a lot. They always take care of us. Whereas nuclear family is also there, but in nuclear family the only thing is sometimes we are staying away from our grandparents. They are staying in a different place. So nuclear family and the joint family. Okay. Can you tell, in your family, how do you make the decision to go on a trip? Suppose we are planning to go on a trip. पिकनिक पर जाना है, तो हम डिसीजन कैसे लेते हैं फैमिली के अंदर? Do you offer suggestions about the places to visit during the trip? Offer suggestion means, do you put up your views in front of your parents, in front of your family about the places to visit during the trip? तुमको कहाँ जाना है, तुम्हारी कहाँ जाने की इच्छा है, ऐसी कुछ जगहों के नाम तुम अपने फैमिली में बताते हो क्या? Do you get to suggest which guests should be invited over during a holiday? क्या तुम भी अपने घर में बताते हो कि हमें किसे इनवाइट करना है हॉलीडे के टाइम पे, अपने घर पे किसको बुलाना है? आर यू एबल टू गिव द व्यूज to your parents, to your grandparents, uncle, aunt, whomsoever? Means तुम्हें अपने व्यूज बताने का मौका मिलता है या नहीं? How do you help during preparations for festivals or functions at home? तुम अपने घर में फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे या कोई फंक्शन है तुम्हारे घर में, तो how do you help in the preparations? उसकी तैयारी करने में हम कैसी हेल्प करते हैं? Do you get the opportunity or not? I'll give you the example, children, here of the Ganesh festival. I have seen गणपति बापा जब अपने घर पे आते हैं, मैंने देखा सारे बच्चे बड़े छोटे सब घर में मिलके गणपति बापा के डेकोरेशन में लग जाते हैं कि हमारा गणपति बापा बहुत सुंदर दिखना चाहिए, डेकोरेशन बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए। तो ये कैसे होता है? ये होता है हमारे एक दूसरे से कोऑर्डिनेशन से, कोऑपरेशन से। हम एक दूसरे की सुनते हैं, एक दूसरे के व्यूज़ को ओबे करते हैं, हम एक दूसरे की बात को मानते हैं और सब मिलके फिर उस काम को करते हैं, तो वो कैसा होता है, सक्सेसफुल होता है. एंड देन आई गिव यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गणेश फेस्टिवल. गणपति बापा को हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेशन करके बिठाते हैं, और जब वो सब कुछ खत्म होता है तो मैं कैसा लगता है, एकदम प्लेजेंट. यू फील वेरी हैप्पी दैट येस वी ऑल टुगेदर हैव डन दिस हैप्पीली. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल आई गेव यू. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, रोल इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. डिसीजन, निर्णय लेने में हमारा क्या रोल होता है. वी लिव टुगेदर इन अ फैमिली. हम कहाँ रहते हैं, फैमिली में रहते हैं सबके साथ. एवरी पर्सन्स लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स आर डिफरेंट. सबकी पसंद और नापसंद कैसी है, डिफरेंट है. एवरीबडी डू नॉट हैव द सेम व्यूज, सेम लाइक्स एंड द डिसलाइक्स. थॉट्स एंड ओपिनियंस कैन ऑल्सो डिफर. द थॉट्स and opinions of the people, every individual, your opinion, your thoughts are different from your brother, from your friend. So nobody is same to each other. We ourselves are different from others. We are an individual personality, and every individual children is different from the other person. Whether your mummy and daddy also is there, but still we are different from them also. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. But although our thoughts and opinions are different, but somewhere you will find some of the people, those who have the views like you only, those who have the thoughts like you only. When we meet such people, we have what, friendship with them, कि yes ये मेरे जैसा ही सोचता है, मेरे जैसा ही करता है. There is some similarity between you and your friend, you and your brother or sister, means that time you have the liking to each other. We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well-being. So what we are doing in the family, we take care of each other. We are taking care of each one and are concerned about other people's well-being. And we are concerned about the other members. Suppose see now, if your grandfather is not well or grandmother is not well, what will you do? You will always go and take the care of the grandparents. Means why? Because you are concerned, he is your grandfather, but at the same time, will you take care of somebody else? No. When you are in a school, when we are in a school, our school is also a family, right? That is our second family. You have teachers, you have sirs with you, you have friends with you, you share all the things, you have the problems you tell to your teacher. So what happens? You are concerned. Suppose if your teacher is not well, suddenly sometimes in a class you find your teacher is not well, and she sits on the chair, she is feeling giddy. What you do? Immediately you rush to your teacher and you ask her, teacher, what happened? Do you want water? Do you want something? So what is that? That is your concern to your teacher also, isn't it? As you are concerned with your mother, means जैसे तुम्हें मम्मी की चिंता होती है, वैसे तुम्हें तुम्हारे टीचर्स की और सर्स की भी चिंता होती है स्कूल के अंदर, because that is also one of our family. We talk to each other before making decisions about anything in the house. So what we are doing? We are discussing with each other about anything in the house. Means any decision to be taken. Suppose हम ट्रिप का एग्जाम्पल लें, हमें पिकनिक पे जाना है, और पिकनिक पे जाने के पहले हमें कहाँ जाना है, पहले वो डिसाइड करते हैं. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, डिस्कशन करते हैं घर में, और देन वी कम टू अ डिसीजन वेयर इन everybody's view is considered. We consult each other and make decisions that everyone agrees with. What we are doing? We are giving our views. After giving our views, we have a discussion, and after the discussion, we come on a decision about one particular thing. In this way, we are part of the decision making in the family. So in this way, we are also playing an important role in the decision making on any of the topic in the family. I hope this is clear, and I know that you are also a part of the family, and you also take part actively in the decision making process. Let's continue, children. What happens when everyone has a role in decision making? What happens? क्या होता है when everyone has a role in decision making? When every particular person of the family, individual person of the family, has the right to take part in the decision making. Each person gets the opportunity to say what they think. Each person in the family gets a chance to say what he or she thinks. By asking everyone's opinions, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspect. What happened? By asking everyone's opinions means we are doing what? We are asking every person, each person's opinion, what they think, and the subject is discussed thoroughly, means it is deeply discussed from every point of view. Suppose you are planning to go to Manali. Okay, suppose you have planned to go to Manali, that is the Kashmir side. When you are going to Manali, when to go, how to go, by transport means how you will be going, how you will buy the tickets, from where you will start, what all things you have to plan, that everything is planned and then the decision is taken in. We feel like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. When we are giving our views, children, जब तुम अपना कोई भी पार्ट, अपना कोई भी निर्णय सुनाते हो, कोई भी ओपिनियन वहाँ पे प्लेस करते हो सबके सामने कि तुम्हारा क्या व्यू है, और जब उस व्यू को वो लोग कंसिडर करते कि हाँ ये सही है, तो तुम्हें कैसा लगता है? येस, आई एम राइट, यू डू योर कॉलर टाइट, हाँ मैंने राइट बोला, देखो मेरी बात मम्मी ने सुनी या मेरी बात पापा ने सुनी. तो क्या होता है? दैट इज अ, यू फील दैट इम्पॉर्टेंस, दैट येस आई एम ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन माई family. So everyone has got a very important role in the family to play in when the decision has to be taken about a particular thing. I hope this is clear to you all. Next, just as we have a role in making decisions in our family, we also have a role in public decision making. Now children, I gave you this the example of the family. एक ट्रिप का एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको दिया, जहाँ पर आप ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो तो आपको तैयारी करनी है. बट नेक्स्ट है फैमिली के बाद पब्लिक डिसीजन मेकिंग. पब्लिक में भी वी आर द सिटीजन्स ऑफ द कंट्री. सो इफ़ वी फाइंड समथिंग रॉन्ग, वी हैव द राइट टू टेक डिसीजन अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर थिंग ऑल्सो. इन न्यूज़ पेपर्स वी रीड अबाउट मैटर्स रिक्वायरिंग पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन. अभी हम लोग न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं. टीवी में भी तुमने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं नीचे, वो लोग पूछते हैं प्लीज़ गिव अ मिस कॉल फॉर येस, इजंट इट. अगर तुम्हारा आंसर येस है तो तुम उसको मिस कॉल दो, यानी तुम्हारा पब्लिक ओपिनियन वो पूछते हैं. सेम विद न्यूज़पेपर्स ऑल्सो वी हैव दैट द पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. A few examples of such news have been summarized below. So let us see some of the examples of it, how we can give our decision or how we can include ourselves in the public decision making process. Read and discuss. Let us see children now the next topic. This is the read and discuss. Citizens participate in municipal budget planning. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend the money. The best example I'll give you the elections you might have seen or experienced in our local area. हमारे घर के आसपास के कोई होता है, देखो उसको बोलते हैं हम कॉर्पोरेटर, नगर सेवक या सेविका, whether a man or a woman. So we find many of them are there in our area where we are living in. Now what is the duty of these corporators? To look after the development of that particular area and to solve the problems of the citizens. Now citizens participate in municipal budget planning. How do we participate? We can express our views to these corporators. हम वो नगर सेवक के पास जाके बोल सकते हैं. Suppose an example I'll give you, हमें पानी की प्रॉब्लम होती है. Water supply is not regular sometimes, or the force of the water supply is too slow and the water is not adequate which we receive. So what we do? We go and give a complaint to the corporator. हम नगर सेवक के पास जाते हैं और उनको बताते हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम है, एरिया में पानी ठीक से सप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है, या अगर गंदा पानी सप्लाई हो गया तो हम कॉर्पोरेटर को जाके बोलते हैं. What is the duty of the corporator? He listens to the citizens. हमने क्या बोला, and then he puts our point in front of the municipal corporation. Suppose where we are living in is a very crowded area. हम लोग जहाँ पे रहते हैं वो बहुत भीड़ भाड़ का एरिया है और हमको थोड़ी फ्रेश एयर चाहिए. तो वी कैन आस्क हिम फॉर द व्हाट, अ स्मॉल गार्डन where we can have the greenery and a place to walk in. Nowadays we find, see, the walking places are there, walking gardens, that is the jogging gardens are there, jogging tracks. हमारे घर के आसपास भी कहाँ भी बीच में जगह होती है, गवर्नमेंट की प्लेस है, वहाँ पे म्यूनसिपलिटी कॉरपोरेशन हमको एक छोटा जॉगिंग ट्रैक बना के देता है जहाँ पर लोग सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक को आते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट द वर्क ऑफ द कॉरपोरेटर, टू पुट आवर व्यूज टू द म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन. तो हम तो सीधे जा नहीं सकते वहाँ पे, तो हमें प्रोटोकॉल मेंटेन करना है. तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो? वी आर गोइंग टू द कॉरपोरेटर. सिटीजन्स टू सजेस्ट Citizens crowd to suggest improvements to city development plan. Now, what if we have our demand? What we are going to do? We all go together. We write up a letter, or we go and meet the head of the municipal corporation. We can meet the mayor. We can meet the collector, and then we can put our problems in front of him and explain to him in detail, so that our improvement in that particular thing can be done. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. Joint effort by 6 villages bears fruit. इनॉग्रेशन, उद्घाटन किसका? रोड का. इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ द रोड, नई रोड बनी है जो 6 विलेजेस को ज्वाइन करती है. 6 गांव उससे कनेक्टेड है. अब ये 6 गांव कैसे कनेक्टेड हुए उसमें चिल्ड्रन? अभी ऐसा तो नहीं कि गांव वालों ने जाके सब किया, वहां पे रोड बनाई, नहीं. वो सब गांव वालों ने मिलकर जॉइंट एफर्ट्स बाय 6 विलेजेस, मीन्स जो भी उनके हेड्स थे विलेज के, उन्होंने सबने मिलकर जाकर वहाँ म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन में, जिला परिषद में अपने डिमांड सामने रखे और बार बार जाकर उनको अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स एक्सप्लेन किया. तो बाद में क्या हुआ? गवर्नमेंट मेड द roads for them, and therefore that is 6 villages bears the fruit. Fruit means what? That road is constructed which is joining the 6 villages to the town or the city. So in this way we can all participate in the municipal corporation also. Next, we feel the need for minor changes in our environment. We feel the need for the minor changes in our environment, means small changes we can require in our area, in the surroundings where we living in. It is to our advantage that everyone has a role in decision making process. It is to our advantage that everyone has a role in making decisions about changes in our surroundings. ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर, ईच एंड एवरी सिटीजन, जो भी हम हर किसी को अधिकार है कि हमको क्या चेंजेस चाहिए हमारे एरिया के अंदर. सिर्फ क्या करना है? वी हैव टू गो एंड टेल टू द कॉर्पोरेटर. एंड चिल्ड्रन, वन थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू इज दैट क्लीनलीनेस इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स, दैट क्लीनलीनेस कैन बी मेंटेन बाय अस ओनली. हाँ, द क्लीनलीनेस अबाउट द गार्बेज बिन, जो घंटा गाड़ी कचरा लेकर जाती है, अगर वो नहीं आती है तो तुम कंप्लेन कर सकते हो. That is one thing, but maintaining cleanliness in our surroundings is also a part of our own duty. The government we elect makes decisions regarding public matters. Now we are during the election, we give the votes, we cast our votes to the particular person. Now that person is responsible to look after about the public matters. So what we are doing? We are choosing a representative of the government. We are choosing a representative who is going to work for us regarding our problems. If we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, we can register our opinion. Means the person to whom we have chosen, suppose हमने जिसको वोट दिया था वो person choose होके आया, and he is a responsible person for our development now, but he is not working according to it. He is not clearly telling us everything. So what we can do? We can change that also. In this way we can be a part of the decision making process. So what we'll do? We can pass a no confidence motion. Means हमको उन पे विश्वास नहीं है, वो हमारा काम नहीं करते. We can put up a Now a small point to think in. Think, be a part of the decision making process in your home. What we have to do? We should be a part, we should be a person included in the decision making process in our home. Do not form your opinions merely on the basis of what others say. दूसरे ने क्या बोला उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होके हमें अपना ओपिनियन फॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए. वी हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम आवर ओन वे, our own brain, our own mind. We should think in what is correct and what is wrong. Just my friend said and so it is correct, it should not be like that. Share your thoughts with others. What to do? You have to share your thoughts with others without any argument, happily, and you should be also be ready to accept the decisions of others. It is not that every time your point only will be considered and you only are right. everyone is right from their own point of view, but we have to listen to the elders also, because they know very much better all the things than us. They are experienced person, children. They know all the things in detail, but you should be happy at the same time that you are a very important personality in your family and you are sharing your views in the family. So always be happy in the family, children. Enjoy your life with your family and be happy, and always be caring, loving, sharing with the family, because all these values are very, very important in our family, and family plays a very, very important role. We should love our family.